Unravel the meaning. Wind up in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning of a phrase that often puzzles learners: wind up. It's a phrase with multiple meanings and uses in English, which can be quite confusing. But fear not, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding and be ready to use wind up like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and uncover the mystery behind this versatile phrase. Firstly, let's look at the most literal meaning of wind up. Historically, wind up refers to the action of turning or twisting something, usually a knob or key, to tighten a spring mechanism in a device such as a clock, toy, or watch. It means to end up with something in a tightened state after twisting it. For example, I need to wind up the clock, or she was winding up the music box. Moving on to more abstract uses, wind up can have several figurative meanings. Subsection 1. To end up somewhere. In this context, wind up means to find oneself in an unexpected or unplanned place or situation. For instance, if you don't plan your finances well, you could wind up in debt. It's a casual way to say end up and implies a degree of surprise or unintended consequence. Subsection 2. To conclude activities. When used in the context of activities or events, wind up means to bring something to a close or to finish. This could be a meeting, a party, or even a long day. For example, the meeting wound up at 5 p.m. Subsection 3. To reach a state after a series of actions. Sometimes, wind up is used to describe the act of reaching a final state or condition after doing several things. It can often have a negative connotation in this context, like, he wound up exhausted after the marathon. Subsection 4. To irritate or provoke. Informally, wind up can also mean to tease or provoke someone in a playful or unkind way. For example, don't take it seriously. I'm just winding you up. Wind up also appears in phrasal verbs with different prepositions changing its meaning. Here are a few examples. Wind up with, to obtain or possess something in the end, as in, she wound up with the best deal. Wind up doing something, to eventually do something, often unplanned, like, I wound up doing all the work myself. And there you have it. Wind up is a phrase that can literally make you turn a key or figuratively lead you to surprising places. It's all about the context. Remember, language is about expression and communication, and phrases like wind up add color and variety to our conversations. I hope this video helps you feel more confident using wind up in your English communication. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.